Five little penguins went out one day, waddling over the ice to play. Mama called, "Come back today," but only four came sliding away. Four little penguins flapped with glee, jumping and splashing in the icy sea. Mama called, "Come back to me," but only three came happily. Three little penguins danced around, spinning and twirling on frozen ground. Mama called, "It's time for bed," but only two came back instead. Two little penguins full of cheer slid on their bellies far and near. Mama called, "It's getting late," but only one slid through the gate. One little penguin, feeling bold, hopped on an iceberg oh so cold. Mama called, "No more delay," and all five came back to stay.